When you're alone, life can be a little rough. It makes you feel like you're 3 foot tall. When it's just you, well, times can be tough. When there's no one there to catch your fall. Like you're 3 foot tall.
Stress out, waking up beside the bed. I'm the one for the haters and the time for jealousy. I'm too focused on the music, the money and where I'm headed. Never rain on my parade, never get an umbrella. Damn the pains, never really been the one to listen. Ain't no one else in the world on my vision. Said I want the business to stay true. Do or die, can't slow down. I'ma chase my dreams, fucking suicide. If you walk in my shoes, you would lose your mind. Nobody in my own lane. Never day in my life, come and feel my pain. I'm grinding overtime. All my life, turn it up in the overdrive. Gotta live your life with an open mind. Blood, sweat, and tears got me so alive. Rolling with a bad one, never last one. Last got that one. Used to never get money, I hope back then. Now I get both. Never get a chance. Struggling, you gotta get back. Never give up, boy, you gotta keep moving. Don't worry about me. You got a dream, better go for it. If you think ever give it up, I've been on my grind, hustling for so long. Pro world, good vibes, so we're rolling.
It makes you feel like you're 3 foot tall. When it's just you. When there's no one there to catch your fall.
It's lunchtime, sick of the drugs and the groupies. Hustling homeboy, it's crunch time. Working the guy that moves me. Shout to my family one time. Putting my thoughts on the blue sleeve, on the blue sleeve. Sometimes I never get over your time. Putting my heart and my soul in the music. I can't wait for the turn back, bitch. People are telling me that I wanna make it, now they don't say people ask me. Used to keep money that I made from hustling right there up under my mattress. Now I ain't tripping, don't worry about slipping. I got an account for that shit. Stood on my own 2 feet, nothing was handed to me. Every day I would practice. Struggling every day, trying to find myself in this world that's full of madness. Stressed out, working hard, going through some shit with my trust in God. Everybody telling me that I should stop, but my middle finger's asking to fuck them all. Every single day in my life, I'm putting up a fight, trying to figure my rights from wrong. I just sit in my mind, I'm tired of bullshit, but I gotta work hard.
It makes you feel like
Oh, you say that you're feeling it. Haters didn't get the invite, huh? But I bet that they hearing this. Making noise off the picture. Kodak lifestyle, you better take a picture. Magazine centerfolds, now I'm thinking bigger. Fuck the average Joe, boy, you know I'm trying to differ. And so far I think I'm doing it. Anything is possible, and boy, I think I'm proving it. People looking up to me, I'm really kinda new to this. Yeah, they looking up to me, I'm really kinda new to this. I got their hands to the ceiling. Boy, it's indescribable, I can't explain this feeling. My life's so appealing, cause boy, I'm living for right now. All you people wearing suits better pipe down. Yes.